My beloved one, stop scrolling right now. Yes, you. This moment is not random. I, Krishna, am speaking straight to your heart right now. You did not arrive here by chance. Your soul brought you here. And if life has felt heavy lately, if you felt lost, tired, misunderstood, or quietly hurting, know this. I smile upon you for being here, because what I'm about to share is meant to shift everything. Press the like button right now as a sign that you are open to receiving. Subscribe to What Kanha Says and comment, I am ready, Krishna, if you already feel something changing inside you.
Let me tell you a truth no one has spoken to you today.
You believe your prayers went unanswered. You think I was silent while you struggled. You wondered why the pain kept coming. But listen closely. I never left you. Not once. Every heartbreak, every betrayal, every door that slammed shut, every night you cried when no one could see, I was there. Not punishing you, preparing you for something so beautiful that your current mind cannot yet grasp it. Someone watching this almost gave up yesterday. Someone whispered, "Why me?" through tears. If that was you, stay with me, because I am about to reveal the divine pattern behind it all. Share this message right now with someone who needs hope. Be my instrument. Let me take you back to Arjuna on the battlefield. He looked at me, trembling, and said, "Krishna, I cannot do this. I am not strong enough. I am not worthy." And I smiled. Not because his pain was small, but because I could see what he could not. His victory was already written. And right now, I am smiling at you for the same reason. I can see your breakthrough. I can see doors opening. I can see miracles aligning behind the scenes. But before they appear, I ask one thing of you: faith in the darkness. Comment, I trust you, Krishna, if you are willing to take that step with me. Now listen carefully. If this message is touching your heart, I want to share something with you gently and honestly. This channel continues only because of devoted souls like you. If you feel called, you may support through Super Thanks or Buy Me a Coffee using the link below. Your offering is not about money. It is an energy exchange. Even $1 says, "Krishna, I honor this wisdom." And when you give, you open yourself to receive. If you feel it in your heart, pause and offer it now. Let it be placed at my feet today. Now hear this, because this will shift your awareness. You are watching this at this exact moment because a divine appointment is approaching within the next 72 hours. You needed this message before it happens, so you don't miss it. What you've been praying for is coming. But it will arrive disguised. It may look ordinary. It may even look like a challenge. Most people miss miracles because they don't recognize them. Stay alert. Comment, "Yes, Krishna," if you feel this truth stirring. Now feel this deeply. You are not broken. You are not late. You are not forgotten. Everything you went through, even what nearly destroyed you, was placed with precision to build you, not ruin you. That betrayal removed someone who would have blocked your destiny. That loss redirected you toward abundance you couldn't reach on the old path. You are not falling apart. You are being transformed. Place your hand on your heart and say it out loud. I am Krishna's beloved child, and my breakthrough is already done. Say it again, stronger. Now comment, I am activated, so I know you claimed it. Here is a truth many never understand. You thought you were waiting on me, but I have been waiting on you. Waiting for you to stop playing small. Waiting for you to believe you are worthy. The blessings are ready. The doors are prepared. What remains is your unshakable belief.
So answer honestly in the comments.
What have you been tolerating that does not match your destiny? Write, I am releasing, and give me permission to remove it supernaturally. The fact that you are still here tells me something. You are chosen for the next level. This video itself was a test, and you are passing it. If you haven't yet, like the video and turn on notifications. Each message is calibrated for your exact moment. Introduce yourself in the comments. Tell us where you're watching from and what victory you are claiming.
Now hear the final revelation.
I smile because your attention is the greatest offering you can give. Right now, you and I are in communion. You are saying, Krishna, I choose you over distraction, doubt, and fear. And when you choose me, everything you've been worrying about begins to align effortlessly. As you listen, angels are moving, obstacles are dissolving, doors are opening, resources are being released. Your attention is the invitation. My intervention is the response.
Here is your action.
Write down 3 things you surrender to me today. Speak. Krishna, I release these into your hands. I trust your timing. Watch for the sign within 72 hours. A lyric, a message, a conversation, an opportunity. That will be me confirming I am moving. Return tomorrow and listen again. And take one bold step toward your dream this week. If you commit, comment, I commit, Krishna, right now. Share this video. Someone in your life needs this message today. I am smiling because you stayed until the end. You chose growth over comfort. Months from now, you will look back and weep, realizing the delay was divine preparation. It is already done in the spiritual realm. Now it unfolds in your physical life. Once more, if this blessed you, consider super thanks or buy me a coffee. Your support plants seeds that return abundantly. And if you cannot give financially, your prayer, your like, your comment, your share is enough.
Final truth. You are not behind. You are exactly on time. Stop comparing. Stop doubting. Trust the process. Trust the timing. Trust me. You are my creation, and I do not make mistakes. Every dream in your heart is a preview of your destiny. Lift your head. Step forward in faith. I am with you. I am for you. I am within you. Thank you for being here. Let this be your turning point. I love you. I believe in you. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Jai Shri Krishna.